Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done an update on a car build. This one is, I would say, finished. I don't think I'm going to add any more to it. This is the 32 Slammer by MPC. This is another one of those off-road, or not off-road, dirt track modified race cars. And I finally got some weathering done on it and got her all together. You still can take off the body and the two roll bars that are attached to it. I don't think I'm going to glue those down, and I just rather have it look like this and never have it be able to take it apart and look at it. I did use the Tamiya powder on the wheels to add a little bit of a dirt look. I did quite a few different washes. I got the wheels a little bit dulled and dirtied out, but I left the body pretty clean on this one. So I figured the areas that would be hard for them to clean I left dirty, and the body I kept clean. So that way it kind of looks like they take pride in their car, but it has been used. I did add quite a few things to this one. Let me stop it and look. So there's how the body comes off, and the hood is just attached with the two pins there, in case you never done one yet. Here on the back I do have a fuel line that goes up. I have like a little wire mimicking a zip tie. I do have a power and the ground wire right in there coming through the firewall. And then they come through and go to the battery. Added a wire here for the radiator hose because these kits do not come with that. I made my own distributor and wired that. I do have the fuel line coming up and in, and there's the capacitor. I do have a spring simulated there. And over here I do have some brake lines going down and into the back area. On the bottom, I did add some weathering around the oil plug, around the oil filler. Have it look like it's kind of been taken off in a hurry. You know, them fixes on the pits. Right there's the fuel line going up, and there's the brake lines coming down. They kind of just hit them in there. So that is the end of this build. Now I did do the rat trap, I think it was what it's called. It is the Chevy Vega. You think that putting that hood on would be easy, but it's not. But I did the Chevy Vega. I did have a video on it this year, earlier. And since I weathered that one up, I figured I better weather this one up. So this one has the weathering on the tires. I did some washes all over the place. Did some crummy washes in there. Towards the bottom where the exhaust pipe is, I put some soot on both sides. I don't have it so different or the same on the bottom. I don't have it as oily on the pan and the filter and that, but I do have some weathering on it. This one I'm going to have to make a hose for the radiator. I didn't do that on this one. But I do have it wired. I do have the fuel filter on there. I have it on the other one too. And that's just a diode right there. And I don't have the wiring on the battery. I might do that. This one the body is stuck on. This one I did do the fuel filter or filler neck. That's a piece of flexible aluminum. I drilled a hole in there and put some styrene. So I drilled the hole, put the styrene on the other side, glued it real good, and then I trimmed it to match, and then I put a flat piece on the inside, and then put that filler neck in, and that really added a cool fling to it. I think I'm going to still paint the rear reflector lights, and then I might do something with those. I don't know. They just don't look done to me. So that is that. So I'm going to have these ones sitting close to the desk, because I plan on doing the next one in the group, which is, what the hell was that one called? The boxes disappeared on me. Actually, I think I threw away the box. Well, anyhow, I'm doing that one. And this is the body on it. It's a little bit smaller than the Vega. And the chassis on all of these are the same. I think they did a little bit different on the bumpers and on the side and on these side rails. But I think I'm going to do this one in green and white. And oh, it was the Ridge Runner modified. Found the box. And I might do the door panels, because I added the door panels on this. I'll probably do the door panels on that one, because it is a smooth side. I have to look at some reference pictures, make sure I don't screw that up. Yeah, right now all the parts are in the soak. So I'll be getting that one done next. I'd like to have all 4 of these done, maybe before the end of the year. So you guys will get to see that. These are real fun kits to do. So anybody kind of interested in them, go out and get you one next time you see one. I don't think you'll be disappointed in it. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you then. Bye.